Hey, what's up everybody, it's Nigassi. Are you ready to unlock the secret to building long-term wealth? What if we told you that the key to financial freedom is not just about saving or investing, but mastering the right banking strategies? That's right, we're talking about using something most people think of as just a place to keep their money, and turning it into a wealth-generating machine. Imagine turning your daily banking routine into a passive income stream. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're going to reveal exactly how you can leverage smart banking strategies to grow your money. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control of your financial future. First things first, high-interest savings accounts. This is your first step to breaking free from the traditional banking system and actually making your money work for you. While most regular savings accounts offer next to nothing in interest, like, we're talking fractions of a percent, high-interest accounts give you a chance to actually earn a meaningful return on your deposits. I'm talking 1%, 2%, sometimes even more. Think about it guys, with a traditional savings account, inflation is actually eating away at your money faster than the bank is paying you interest. That's like running backwards on a treadmill, you're putting in the effort, but getting nowhere. But with a high-interest account, your money is growing passively in the background while you sleep, while you work, while you're living your life. It's like having a silent partner in your wealth-building journey. Now, you're not going to get rich overnight with just a high-interest savings account, but it's the foundation of good financial hygiene. It's about respecting your money and putting it in a position to grow, instead of just sitting there stagnant. So ditch those old-school savings accounts that are doing nothing for you, and make the switch to a high-interest account today. Every little bit counts. And over time, that interest adds up. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Okay, so now that you're on board with making your money work for you, let's talk about bank bonuses and rewards. This is free money, people. Do not sleep on this. Many banks, and I'm talking big national banks, online banks, credit unions, are literally throwing money at you to become a customer. They offer generous sign-up bonuses, sometimes hundreds of dollars, just for opening an account and meeting some simple requirements. And it doesn't stop there. Cashback rewards, travel points, points you can redeem for merchandise, even straight-up cash back on your everyday purchases. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Think about it. If you're already spending money on things like groceries, gas, and bills, why not get rewarded for it? It's like getting a mini paycheck just for living your life. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, there's gotta be a catch, right? And yeah, there are usually some terms and conditions, but they're not rocket science. You might need to maintain a certain balance, make a certain number of transactions each month, or use your debit card a certain number of times. But honestly, these are things you're probably already doing. So before you sign up for just any old bank account, do your research. Shop around, compare the bonuses and rewards programs, and find one that aligns with your spending habits. Remember, it's not about chasing the biggest bonus, it's about finding the best fit for your financial needs. By being strategic and taking advantage of these offers, you can easily earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars in free money each year. Alright, let's talk about something that might be a little less exciting than free money, but is just as important, if not more so, managing your credit wisely. Look, your credit score is like your financial GPA. It follows you around and influences everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment to even landing a job. A good credit score is like having a golden ticket. It unlocks lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, higher credit limits, and can save you literally tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. On the flip side, a bad credit score is like having a financial ball and chain, weighing you down and costing you money in higher interest rates and fees. So how do you build good credit? It's actually not that complicated. First and foremost, pay your bills on time. This is crucial, guys. Set up auto pay if you have to, but don't let those payment deadlines slip by. Second, keep your credit utilization low. This means don't max out your credit cards every month. Aim to keep your balances below 30% of your credit limit. Third, check your credit report regularly for any errors or inaccuracies. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus every year, so take advantage of that. By staying on top of your credit and using it responsibly, you can unlock some serious financial benefits and set yourself up for long-term success. Now let's talk about one of my favorite wealth-building strategies, and that's automating your savings. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it method to reach your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, investing in your future, or just having a comfortable emergency fund. The idea is simple. You set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, and you do it on a regular schedule, every payday, every month, whatever works best for you. The beauty of this is that you're essentially tricking yourself into saving money without even thinking about it. It's like putting your savings on autopilot so you don't even have to lift a finger. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, I can barely afford to pay my bills. How am I supposed to automate my savings? But here's the thing. You don't need to start big. Even if it's just $10 or $20 per paycheck, the important thing is to start somewhere. As you get used to it and your income grows, you can gradually increase the amount you're automatically transferring. Trust me, you won't even miss that money. And over time, those small amounts add up to significant savings. It's like that old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is today. So stop making excuses and start automating your savings today. Your future self will thank you. Alright, so you've mastered the basics of smart banking. You've got your high-interest savings account, you're racking up those bank bonuses, you're managing your credit like a boss, and you've automated your savings. Now it's time to level up your wealth-building game with investments. Many banks nowadays offer integrated brokerage services, which basically means you can invest in the stock market, bonds, mutual funds, all within the same platform where you manage your checking and savings accounts. Now I know investing can seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start small, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long term. Don't try to get rich quick with risky bets or try to time the market. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the broader market. Think of it like this. When you invest in the stock market, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of ownership in some of the world's most successful companies. And as those companies grow and profit, so does your investment. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, but I will say that investing is one of the most powerful tools you have to build long-term wealth and achieve your financial goals. So don't be afraid to get started, even if it's just with a small amount of money. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and grow exponentially over time. And there you have it, guys. Building wealth through smart banking is not some far-fetched dream, it's totally within your reach. By strategically choosing the right accounts, maximizing rewards, managing your credit, automating savings, and exploring investment opportunities, you can unlock your financial potential and create long-lasting wealth. Remember, financial freedom isn't about being born rich. It's about making smart choices, developing good habits, and letting your money work hard for you. It's about taking control of your finances instead of letting them control you. Now, it's time to take action. Don't just watch this video and then go back to your old ways. Review your current banking habits, make those smart choices, and let your money work harder for you. Remember, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to take their finances to the next level. Until next time, keep building your wealth, one smart banking decision at a time.